Look at the volume fader of part 2. Even though the fader is set to 0, you can raise the volume by turning the super knob. If you want to change the volume of a part already controlled by the motion control synthesis engine, go to Control Assignments. Press Edit, Part 2, Modulation Control, and select Control Assignments. Set the display filter to All to see all assignments of the motion control synthesis engine of Part 2. Go through the pages to find the assignments to the volume. In this case, it's on page 2, destination 7. Lower the ratio to lower the maximum increase in volume while turning the super knob. Or increase the ratio to raise the volume while turning the super knob.